Hey, Steve. This is Rabbi Ettengoff. When you have an opportunity, it's no rush. Well, I guess I can give you the message over the phone. John was amazing. I want you to know, respectful, dignified, did a beautiful job, just a beautiful job. Very impressed. I think you have a very good vision in choosing him to be part of your team. And I can't say enough good things about him. He was patient. He taught me how to open and close the fence. And, he generally just made himself quite available in any way that he could be to be of my assistance. So outstanding worker, outstanding installer, what you and I would call a mensch, and I appreciate everything. Okay, please do share the nice words with him when you have the opportunity. Have a great day. Be well. Bye-bye.